Welcome back to Live from the Camper, House Edition. My name's Tony, and today I'm going to show you how to make a chicken salad. But wait, I'm going to show you how to make a fancy chicken salad. Before we get started, my friend Jack from up in Wisconsin sent me a video. Check it out.
Alright everybody, welcome back to Live from the Camper, House Edition. Today we're going to be making a cheeseburger macaroni casserole. Let's get cooking.
Now, if you'd like to be featured in one of my videos, send a short video of you pretending to be me to livefromthecamper@gmail.com. It's listed right here. And if we put you in one of our videos, we're going to put you into a drawing for a free Live from the Camper t-shirt. Now, getting back to the chicken salad, what makes my chicken salad fancy? I'm going to use apple pieces and cashews in it. A lot of you people have done that before and you know how good it tastes. Some people haven't. Well, you're about to find out how good it tastes. So are you ready? Good, let's start cooking. So the first thing you want to do is put a cup of water into your Ninja Foodi. Then go get 4 small chicken breasts, and yes, they can be frozen, and let's put them right in there. Throw that pressure lid on, put it on seal, and we're going to pressure cook on high for 15 minutes, and then we're going to do a 10-minute natural release. Now, while you're waiting for that chicken, go ahead and hit that little red button down in the corner and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell, bing, so you know when my new videos come out. After you do all that, go ahead and cut up 1 cup of apples, dice it up, kind of small. Half a cup of cashew pieces in halves, 1/4 of a cup of celery. You're gonna want a half a cup of mayonnaise, a tablespoon of garlic powder, and a tablespoon of Creole seasoning. Pick what you like. I like the Tony C's. That's my favorite. Some Swiss cheese, and a couple hoagie rolls. And to kick it up a notch, I put in a couple dashes of liquid smoke. Man, it makes it taste like a smoked chicken salad. You get the sweetness from the apples. It's so good. Then, of course, you put some salt and pepper in it to taste. And then, I like to put 1 packet of Splenda in there. It gives it such a cool, sweet flavor with the smoke and the Creole seasoning. I'm telling you, it's fantastic. And then, for a little something extra, I took a baby bell pepper, little sweet bell peppers. I cut them into little strips like this. I'll put them on the top of the sandwich. Gives it color, gives it crunch, a little extra sweetness. Man, I can't wait to show you. It's so good. All right, we did a 15-minute pressure cook, a 10-minute natural release. Let's go ahead and let the rest of the pressure out. Hey, look, there is none left. And the red pin's dropped. Bonus! Let's take that lid off. Look at our ugly looking chicken, but we're gonna make it delicious. All right, let's remove our chicken. And let's cut it up. Let's give it a good chop. I know you see this little piece right here. I'm sorry, I know probably no big deal, but it's ugly, it looks disgusting, and I ain't eating it. Dump it in the bowl. Let's cut up the rest of that chicken. Again, with that little ugly piece, ain't gonna do it. Just can't do it. My dog can have it. He likes it. It kind of grosses me out. It's just that easy. All right, now let's hit it with some salt and pepper. Of course, that's to taste. You like it salty? Put more salt in it. You don't want it salty? Don't put as much salt in it. Add some fresh ground pepper. Now we're gonna add that Creole seasoning. Garlic powder. And don't worry, all the ingredients are listed down in the description box below. Drop in that celery. Drop in those apples. Half of the cashews. Half a cup of mayonnaise. Couple dashes of that hickory liquid smoke. Boom, boom. And your Splenda packet. Now let's mix it all up. All right, now that you have it all mixed up, this is where you give it a little taste. See if you want to add more seasonings or mayonnaise or whatever you want. Because what I've done is create a delicious base for you. Now season it the way you like it. Oh yeah, I am gonna add a little more salt. Because that's the way we like it. Even hit it with a little more pepper. But I think the mayonnaise is perfect for me. Nailed it. That's fantastic. Now, take the rest of your cashews and pour them over the top. That'll add a little more salt to it. Plus, it just tastes good. It gives it a little crunch. It's just really good. You know what else you can use with this chicken salad? You know what I was just thinking? Besides making sandwiches, you know what else would be awesome with this chicken salad? If we cut up some peppers and use some Ritz crackers. You could use it as like an appetizer too. Check it out. Move the rolls over for a second. Make a little healthier option here. Another way to make it a healthier option is use less fat mayonnaise. I don't have any, so I didn't use it. Wow, this little pepper is seedy. So now you can take your peppers and make like chips out of them, you know, so you can dip it right in the chicken salad. That would be fantastic. Now grab you some baby Swiss cheese. You can use any cheese you like. I like the baby Swiss. It has a little bit nuttier flavor. Goes great with that chicken salad. Just throw those peppers onto the plate. That's gonna be perfect for just scooping and eating. Grab you some Ritz crackers. Open it the manly way. Grab some of that chicken salad, drop it right in the middle. Take a little of that cheese, break it up. Tear it up. You know, big enough to fit onto those Ritz crackers. Add a little color to the top. And look at that. When you're watching your new Game of Thrones, you got the perfect little appetizer to eat. But wait, there's more. You can still cut that hoagie right in the middle like we always do. Rip open the bread, make a little boat. Grab some of that chicken salad. Put it right in the middle there. Oh, that pepper. If you want, you can throw some cheese in there. I'm not gonna have cheese on mine. But for my wife's, she likes the cheese, so we're gonna put the cheese in hers. Throw some cheese on the bottom. Kind of fold it up so it goes up the sides. I'll fill that bad boy up with some chicken salad. Throw a little color on top of that. And then boom! Look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? You have a little appetizer, you have a meal. I mean, it's so versatile. You can do so many things with it. Now the most important part. Let's try it all. All right, let's try it with the pepper first. Grab a little of that chicken salad, put it right in that pepper. Like I said earlier, you're trying to go low carb, cut up some peppers, get them in that fridge so they're nice and cold. They become like a chip. They're sweet, they're crunchy, goes perfect with that chicken salad. Oh, it's so good. Use some reduced fat mayonnaise and you're good to go. Now grab you a Ritz cracker, throw a little piece of cheese on there. Now throw this pepper on there. Look at that. That looks delicious just like that. Now you get the Swiss cheese, the butteriness of the Ritz crackers. I mean, yes, that is fantastic. All right, let's pick one of these guys and give it a try. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? That's the ultimate sandwich right there. Each thing had its own unique flavor, but was delicious all by itself. I love that chicken salad with the apples and the celery, so you get the little crunch, a little sweetness, a little smokiness, a little tingle on the tongue from this Creole seasoning. I'm telling you guys, must make, gotta do it. So I got one question for you. Are you hungry? Not for long. Good, let's eat. Sorry about that.